Hey guys, it's CrystalRenèe here. Welcome back to my channel. And if you're new here, thanks for joining. Hey guys, I know it's been a while. Welcome back to my channel. And if you're new here, thank you all for joining. I've noticed I've gotten a lot of new subscribers and I welcome you all. Here on my channel, I post mostly plant videos and some other videos occasionally. Cooking, traveling, just basically anything that has to do with my life. I know it's been a while since I post. As some of you may know, I am currently going on 34 weeks. I can possibly show you guys my belly bump. My pregnancy is almost over, baby is almost here, and yes, I know I had some of you guys guessing if I was having a boy or a girl, and to answer that question, I am having a boy. So, with no further ado, let's get into the video and what this video is all about. As you read in the title, I will be doing an unboxing from Steve's Leaves. This is my first time shopping with Steve's Leaves, and this is my first time actually purchasing a plant in so many months. I can't even count how many, but I am excited to be doing this video. So if you haven't already, please give this video a thumbs up. Subscribe if you haven't already, and share with a plenty friend. I appreciate all of you. So this is the package that came. It came fairly quickly, even though this is holiday season. I think it came pretty fast. I ordered about a week ago, so that was fairly quick to have gotten my package so soon. I want to mention the two plants that I ordered from Steve's Leaves were two plants that I already had in my collection, but due to my sickness, a lot of my plants died off or really didn't grow the way that they should have grown because I didn't take care of them the way that I should have. So I really wanted these plants back in my collection, so I reordered them. And what other place to order them from? Steve's Leaves. And I've seen a lot of great reviews from other people ordering these same particular plants here on YouTube, so I thought, why not? So with no further ado, let me go ahead and open the box. So this is how it comes packaged. Going to remove it. It's labeled of what the plants are on the outside. We're going to open this first one. Which is Monstera Celtibacana. Like I said before, I already had this plant in my collection, and now I just have a few little pieces of it that's rooted in water. So I wanted a full plant once again, so here I am opening this package. So it's packaged nicely. Oh, this is nice. I am very pleased. Can't you see that? The leaves are gorgeous. Oh my gosh. This is a very well put together plant. And some of the leaves are huge. On the last plant that I had, the Silta Picana that I had before this one, I don't think the leaves were as large as the ones that are on this particular plant. And as I can see, it already has some new growth going on. So yeah, I'm very pleased with that. Nice. So also in the package came, you know, my order form, and they sent a card letting you know how to unpack and what to do with your plant once you receive it. So that's always great to have. So the second plant that I have, I received this plant as cuttings from another fellow YouTuber by the name of Allie's Plants. And the cuttings grew, but it never really became a full plant. And like I said, I got sick. I still have a few cuttings from it, and they're doing well, but I wanted a full on plant, so I went ahead and ordered it. And this is a Cebu Blue. So let's check that out and see what it's looking like. I mean, they packaged this. Oh my gosh, guys. I am pleased. Wow. Look at the leaves on this. If I was to show you the leaves to the Cebu Blue cuttings that I have, they are nothing compared to the size of these leaves here. These are full-on mature leaves, it looks like. Well, almost, because I do think they get fenestrations in the leaves once they get to the mature level. But oh my gosh, they are huge. Look at that leaf. I am very, very pleased. And there is a lot of new growth going on as well with this plant. This Cebu Blue is gorgeous, and I'm very pleased. I'm pleased with both plants that I received today, and I'm happy that I purchased them. These two are fast-growing plants, so hopefully in no time these will be way larger than this. I can't wait to share it with you. I think I'm going to keep them in the planters that they already come in. I don't want to disturb any roots. I want them to continue to grow in the manner that they've been growing. And yeah, so I'm not displeased at all. I'm very happy that I made the purchase that I did. And yeah, so if any of you all have any care tips or have any questions or concerns, please leave it in the comment below. and I highly suggest to shop with Steve's Leaves. This is my first time and I'm pleased. So I definitely will be shopping with them again. They wrap these very well. There's no dirt in the box or anything. So they did a good job at packaging as well. Yeah, that looks pretty good. That looks awesome. Oh yes. If you look down in there, there is a lot of new growth coming. Yeah. And this definitely has to be repotted because the roots are coming out of the bottom. That is how mature this plant is. So I will definitely be repotting that. This one's not necessarily coming out. I see some roots, so I might have to repot that as well. But I kind of want to keep them in their nursery pots so that they can acclimate to my home first. And then I will repot them in maybe a few days, maybe a week or so. But overall, I am very, very, very pleased with the plants that I have received today. These two plants kind of look similar, but there is a difference. They both have that, well, this one has more of a hint of bluish tint to it, and this one has like a grayish silvery tint to it. And I'm just loving the texture on both. So yes, thank you all for tuning in, and until next time, happy growing. Hey, don't forget to follow me on all my social media platforms, and until next time, happy growing.